That looks fucking pass. Like, and this is the easy bit.
You guys want me to get down further, or you guys can look? Yeah.
Fuck all this noise. I think I know which track I'm going up.
Like, that looks sexy as fuck.
See where this guy's going?
Go back to the bottom.
Suck my dick, faggot.
Oh, get you for a bit, are we?
I'm easy.
Oh, go with the fence.
We're not even at the top.
Fuck, I'm just singling out on that fucking shit.
It's all about just enough momentum and wheel placement.
Yeah, I got it, but fucking thing goes to the days, mate.
Yeah, I can see that. GG.
As soon as it like slightly gets off the ground, it just fucking stops.
Mine sort of does that.
Fucking no.
These guys are taking the easy way. Ben's taking the hard way.
Yeah, that's like fucking scary.
Well, you can go, you see that center track?
Yeah.
I think that's not too bad,
Alright.
but I don't remember it too well. It might dip right in. I think I'm just gonna go up the top and have a look.
Yeah, we'll go.